Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to view liked posts on Threads, and now let's dive right in. Now to view your liked posts on your Thread, first open up your Thread app on your phone, as I've already opened it over here. And after opening your Threads app, guys, you'll land on this interface, which is the home interface of Threads app. And on this interface, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see a person or a profile icon available for us. Tap on the person or profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you land on this interface, which is the profile interface of your Threads account. And on this interface, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there's a two-line icon available for us just beside the camera icon at the top right corner. Tap on the two-line icon at the top right corner of the screen, and you land over here. Now you can see the third option that says liked over here, guys, just below the notifications. Tap on the liked over here, and all of your liked posts on your Threads app will be available over here, which you had liked. And with that being said, guys, this is how to view your liked post on Threads app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.